Press the bell icon and never miss any update from WhatsApp Bollywood.
Hello everyone, I'm Shreya and you're watching WhatsApp Bollywood. Riya Chakravarti is in NCB's custody since 8 September and trying to get bail. But NCB opposed both Riya and her brother's bail plea by saying that both the siblings are active members of drug syndicate and connected with high society personalities and drug suppliers. Watch this news report for more details.
The Narcotics Control Bureau responded the bail pleas of Riya Chakravarti and her brother Shavik by saying the Bombay High Court that the siblings are active members of drug syndicate connected with high society personalities and drug suppliers. NCB in its affidavit submitted on Monday opposed the bail plea and said the applicants had abetted and financed drug transactions and therefore Section 27A of the Narcotics, Drug and Psychotropic Substances (NDPS) Act, which provides punishment for financing drug trafficking and harboring offenders, was applicable in this case. NCB said electronic evidences such as WhatsApp chat records were retrieved from mobile, laptop and hard disk and it indicates payment made for drugs. Thus, there is ample evidence to show present applicant Riya has not only regularly dealt with but also financed illicit trafficking of drugs. NCB further submitted that Riya, being aware of the fact that Rajput was engaged in consumption, had harbored and concealed him. NCB said this was tantamount to harboring. Riya also allowed her residence for drug storage and consumption by Rajput. The affidavit further stated it is clear from the statement and electronic evidence gathered by NCB that applicant is an active member of drug syndicate connected with high society personality and drug suppliers. There is sufficient evidence that she is involved in drug trafficking. The applicant used to facilitate drug deliveries and payments through credit cards, cash, payment, getaways from the contraband. NCB made similar submission against Shavik and said he was also part of the syndicate. The agency said while the investigation is at crucial stage, if the applicants are released on bail, it will hamper the probe. The HC will hear Riya and Shavik's bail plea along with 3 other bail pleas by Miranda, Parihar and Sawant on Tuesday.
Well, what do you think about this news report? Let us know in the comments below, and for more such updates, keep watching WhatsApp Bollywood.